Bought you coffee on a cold dawn, paid for the bus when your fare was gone, held your hand when the news was bad. Every single moment I was glad to give a little, ease the strain. Never thought it'd be a ledger's gain. Now the paper stacks so high, touching every vaulted sky. Curling walls of thermal white, bathed in pale stained glass light. This black ink well, it never sleeps, counting every promise that it keeps. From my giving now it takes its toll, lost inside this hall of soul. Count me in, every sin, every sin. Let the audit just begin. The blue dye bleeds a viscous stream, printing faster than a waking dream. Every kindness now a line item beneath the cold accusing climate. It spills and spreads across the stone, leaving me completely, utterly alone. These paper walls, they close me in. Where does one end and the other begin? The vaulted ceiling, vast and grand, built by every helping hand. This black ink well, it never sleeps, counting every promise that it keeps. From my giving now it takes its toll, lost inside this hall of soul. Count me in, every cent, every sin. Let the audit just begin. Just a leak, a steady flow, whispering what I should know. Each drop a tally, cold and stark, leaving its indelible mark. The print speed doubles, a frantic race, erasing every